Hot take, I am not a fan of cordless vacuums. I got this Dyson Animal 3 vacuum and I cannot tell you how obsessed I have been. First off, it truly gets all of the hair. It has this really long extension pole that you can also remove. Plus, it even comes with another long attachment so you can make this one even longer, and it has a brush on the end. It also has a vacuum brush for animals to get all of their fur off. It has another couch attachment and one to detangle hair. I think this is my favorite attachment. It's very satisfying. This canister is also huge and you can collect a lot of stuff. Plus, the brush on the bottom also helps detangle hair as well, and you can move this up and down depending if you're doing it on a wood floor or a carpet. It has a 50-foot cord. I highly recommend this. I'll link it down below.